Hi, I'm Amanda. I work at OT Fitwear. I've lived in Victoria my whole life, and I enjoy working here because the bosses are awesome. It's a fun place to work. It's down to earth. It's more relaxed atmosphere rather than sell, sell, sell. We're not on you like boo, boo, boo like other retail jobs, so it's more relaxed, fun, great environment. Taking a walk by the beach, having tea, enjoying the great outdoors and the great sunshine. Price is key, for sure. Half the price of anything else, pretty much, and the quality is there. The best part of the clothing is it's made in BC. It's the fabric is amazing. It lasts for like 3 years if it's washed and worn correctly. It's comfy. I'd pick it over anything else any day.
I'll go get the other girl.
Sounds good, because I'm not good at this.